Hello friends. As you know, I am having lot of business with my brother-in-law's marriage this week, so I couldn't answer some of your question in due time. Yes, I'm sorry for it. Yes. So anyways, Ritam asked me a very nice question this week. I explained this in my classes while I took flotation classes to everybody, but maybe some of you have already forgotten. For them it will be again useful, and obviously for Ritam and all the new entrants in Supnit's classes. So for all the new entrants in Supnit's classes, the question is about if the ice floating in water. See here, you can see a ice cube is floating in water. So if this ice cube melts, then the level of water doesn't rise or fall. Okay, there is no change in level of water if this ice cube melts. The question was why it doesn't change. Listen, I can give you a lot of qualitative answers for it, that ice has some density 9/10 of water, and by that nothing changes when it changes to volume. But everything you need to understand in physics is by using mathematics, because that gives you a qualitative and quantitative idea. Okay, so if you're talking about science, not only quantitative part is also very important. So please look at this analysis that I have done over here, and I bet after this analysis you are not going to ask this question once more, but obviously you can do a hell lot of problems with other guys in your class, in school and everywhere else, if I'm sure they are not going to understand this very well. So I want you guys to go through this very well. Whatever I have done, you also do it in your copy, so that it just ingrains in your mind. Okay, it should ingrain in your mind. It is not only that I am writing it and you are doing it. It should come from your mind that this should actually happen like this. So that is why the mathematics is there. So let us go step by step. So what I did over here is I have just assumed that the total ice volume is 100 centimeter cube. So if the total ice volume is 100 centimeter cube, what will be the volume immersed? We know it very well that the iceberg in a sea is immersed 9/10th part inside the water and 1/10th part is outside water. So 90 centimeter cube is immersed inside water over here, and 10 centimeter cube is above water. So this part, above water part, is 10 centimeter cube, and whatever you can see below the water level, this is the water level. So whatever you can see below the water level is 9/10th part of the total ice cube. So that is 90 centimeter cube. Now, which is much more important in case of flotation is the amount which is below the water level, because volume immersed will be equal to the volume of water displaced. So volume immersed over here is 90 centimeter cube. So what will be the volume of water displaced? Same, right? 90 centimeter cube. So 90 centimeter cube of water has been displaced by this ice at this moment. So whatever amount of water you can see is at this moment 90 centimeter cube more than the actual level of water due to the ice cube put into it. Correct? आपने आइस क्यूब डाल दिया, इसके वजह से थोड़ा पानी ऊपर दिख रहा है. एक्चुअली शायद पानी इधर पे है. एक्चुअली अगर ये आइस क्यूब नहीं रहेगा तो पानी का लेवल इधर तक रहेगा, बट अभी आइस क्यूब डाल दिया तो पानी का लेवल थोड़ा बढ़ेगा कि बढ़ेगा नहीं. अब डाल के देखो एक ग्लास में, बढ़ेगा. ठीक है, मार्क करो. पहले एक वाटर का ग्लास ले लो, उसके ऊपर आइस डाल दो ऐसे. सो उसके बाद देखोगे थोड़ा लेवल बढ़ेगा. सो ये लेवल क्यों बढ़ा है? क्योंकि जितना आइस आपका वाटर के अंदर चला गया वो आपका पानी को थोड़ा बहुत डिस्प्लेस किया है. ठीक है, तो इसके लिए आपका लेवल बढ़ा हुआ दिख रहा है. सो ऑब्वियसली द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर डिस्प्लेस्ड विल बी इक्वल टू द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आइस इमर्स्ड. वॉल्यूम ऑफ द आइस इमर्स्ड कितना है? That is 90 centimeter cube. So the volume of the water displaced will also be 90 centimeter cube. So at this moment, water in this glass is showing 90 centimeter cube more than the actual volume of water over here. Now 90 centimeter cube immersed ice melts. Okay, sorry, 90 centimeter cube of immersed ice melts. So what happens now? Now you can see, when 90 centimeter cube of ice is melting, then what is the mass of ice that is melting? So 90 centimeter cube is the volume. You multiply with density of ice and get the grams of ice that is melting. Now what is the water formed? Water formed will be the same mass. Mass will not change, right? Because mass is the amount of matter content in a body. So mass of the water formed will again be 90 into density of ice grams. Okay. Now if I ask you what is the volume of the water formed when this 90 centimeter cube melts, 90 सेंटीमीटर क्यूब मेल्ट हो गया तो कितना वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर बनेगा? अभी ऊपर में तो आपका कितना मास ऑफ वाटर बनेगा तो आपको मिल गया ना, द मास ऑफ वाटर फॉर्म्ड यू हैव ऑलरेडी फाउंड आउट. नाउ मास बाय डेंसिटी यू विल गेट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ वाटर फॉर्म्ड. सो मास बाय डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर you will get centimeter cube of water formed. Now what is rho ice by rho water? Ice density is 9/10 of the water density. So rho ice by rho water will be 9/10. So if you multiply this with 90, you will get 81 centimeter cube. That is the water formed. ठीक है? So 90 centimeter cube is melting. 81 centimeter cube of water is getting formed. Because 90 centimeter cube was below the water level. Okay, so water level should fall, right? Because 90 centimeter cube, which is over here, due to which the level rise was there, this 90 centimeter cube has melted. So this 90 centimeter cube has melted. That is why 81 centimeter cube of water has formed. So there is still 9 centimeter cube of water which we have lost, because 9 centimeter cube is not coming over here. Okay, because 90 centimeter cube of ice is 81 centimeter cube of water. Okay, so we have lost around 9 centimeter cube. So theoretically at this moment I can say the water level has fallen. But did you take this one, the volume above water, that will also melt, right? In the question it is not said that the volume of above water will not melt. Volume above water will also melt, and that is 10 centimeter cubes. No, now the 10 centimeter cube of ice also melts. So what is the gram of ice that is melting? 10 into rho ice gram of ice is melting. Now 10 into rho ice gram of water is getting formed. Now 10 into rho ice divided by rho water centimeter cube of water is getting formed, right? Did you get it? Mass of ice will always be equal to mass of water. So ऊपर वाला जो mass of ice था वो जब मेल्ट हो गया तो पानी जो बनेगा वो सेम अमाउंट बनेगा मास के हिसाब से. लेकिन अभी पानी को आपको वॉल्यूम में कन्वर्ट करना है तो कौन सा डेंसिटी से डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा? डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर. सो डेंसिटी ऑफ आइस बाय डेंसिटी ऑफ वाटर, अगेन इट इज 9/10. 9/10 into 10 you will get 9 centimeter cube of water. So first, after the melting of the submerged part, you got 81 centimeter cube. Now the floated part, okay, the above, which is above the water level, if that part melts, then you are getting 9 centimeter cube of water. Okay, so what is the total water formed at this moment? 81 plus 9 is equal to 90. How much extra volume of water was there due to the, or extra volume of water you did see due to the ice that has been put into water? 90 centimeter cube. After the total ice is melting, how much water you are getting? 90 centimeter cube. So previously the level rise due to immersion was 90 centimeter cube. After melting, how much water you are getting? 90 centimeter cube. So should the level rise? No, the level will remain same. So that is the reason. Thank you. बहुत लेजी लग रहा था हमको, but अभी ठीक है. I have got some energy. I'll try to do another one, which is that resistance one, and those I think 1 voltmeter question has been put forward. So that also I'll do. It took me time because, as you know, I have already said, due to my brother-in-law's marriage. So it is now 1:45. I came back and I'm doing this video. So hope you understand this, and if there is any question, please put in the comment box or in the WhatsApp group. Thank you.